Investing, the word typically implies long-term, right? Meaning you're going to sacrifice something today, some money, build a business, buy some equipment, hire an employee. I'm investing. But here we're talking about the stock market. You're investing, meaning you believe this company is going somewhere in the next 1 to 5 years. So it doesn't necessarily matter. Unlike day trade, you don't care what it does during the trading day for one day. You're not in and out of an investment in one day. That wouldn't really make sense. You're thinking long term. Everyone's going to continue shopping on Amazon. Cars are going to continue to switch over to electric. So I'm going to stick with Tesla, regardless if short term they raise their car prices and there's inflation and the stock sold off. You are not investing, whether you're buying the stock or the option, for what the company is doing. Definitely not on a 3-minute candlestick chart for intraday. You're buying it because you're investing and you're saying, hey, this is a good place to park my cash, and I believe it will continue to appreciate over the long term.